Well, hello everyone. Today's the 4th of April, and I ordered my parts for my drill, and they showed up today. I got some new seed tubes, covers to plug every other hole on my drill, bushings. I did get a toolbox, and bolts that come with the wheels that I bought, some washers. These are the narrower wheels. I'll just set them up next to compare here. A lot narrower. Got a huge bearing on them. But anyhow, that's that. And I guess one thing that I could have lived without, but I decided I'd spend enough time in my tractor that I'm going to buy one, is my seat's falling apart. Terrible. So I treated myself to a new seat. So anyhow, I can't remember exactly what the total dollar amount was. Maybe like, I'm guessing probably like $2,000 or just over $2,000. I don't see a whole shipping package label here. I'll look at the cost quick. Maybe. It's easier to open up than I thought it was, or harder to open up than I thought. So my Christmas time at the Kaler farm, when I looked at the bill here, it shows $24.61, and that's not including the parts that I bought from Grossenberg's, which is our John Deere dealer, a couple days ago, yesterday. Got a new wheel, a new bearing for it in that box, and a new one of these thingies that I beat the crap out of getting it apart. And that was a cool, $200 or $300 for that. So we're at about $2,700 right now for parts. Anyhow, so I guess we'll take a few videos as we're putting her back together, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, hello everybody here again. We've making progress pretty good on the drill here. Yesterday we worked on it quite a bit, and today I've worked on it quite a while. It's Wednesday today. Yesterday we had a friend of mine come help me, and he helped change out all these wheels here to the narrower ones, and I've actually got quite a bit of them on. Just take a peek at it here. He's going to be coming here shortly and help again today, but I got all the front runs on. I just got to tighten them, and we just got started on the back. But anyhow, we'll just keep throwing this together. I put the new bushings in the front, so we're all ready to go there, and we're just putting it all together. So we'll see you here on the next. Well, everybody, here we are. It's about 7 o'clock on must be Wednesday still. Yeah, Wednesday. Most of my parts are getting disappeared here. I guess I had my friend was here most of the afternoon here, and he just took off to do some other things, and we've made some progress. We've got all the discs back on except one, and it's because the boot there cracked when I was tightening it. So that's that. All the gauge wheels are on. The back rank, which is what they call each row, is actually finished. It's all together, and I'll show you there. It's gonna be hard with the light in here right now, but there's no wiggle I can push. I'm pushing on the, there we go. That wiggle's coming from the whole row, which probably would be a next year's project. Maybe we'll see how many acres we could do on this repair here this year. And if I do enough acres, I'll see what the wear's like, and maybe go through and replace all the bushings up in front. I'm real happy with how it's going. We kind of just had a little system of doing it, and everything went to go together pretty good. I think when I get done with this video series of repairing it, I'm gonna go maybe over of things to look at a John Deere no-till drill to when you're buying one. And I'm still tickled pink with this one that I bought. As far as, you know, with the repairs and stuff, still, I went over a lot of acres, and I'm still happy with it. I'd still do it again. If I had done it again, I would do it again, buy it, and I wouldn't be scared to put money into it. I know it's a good drill, other than it's got a little age on it. So we'll let this go, and I'll give a brief update when I get done and get it pulled out of the shed probably, and we'll kind of go from there, I guess. Well, I'm back now here. This will be the last update on my drill here. Putting it back together. I've got the tractor started. I'm just showing you guys how much room you get when you back these babies on blocks. I've got on a railroad tie back there, and I got my 2-point lifted all the way up. And then I let my drill down, and you can see there's quite a bit of room to crawl. I'm gonna go jump in the tractor here and raise it up, drive it forward. Got my new seat put in. That was a pain in the rear job. No pun intended. Whoops. Have the hydraulics locked. Working on these drills, I always lock my valve here in case something happens. I don't want these babies falling on top of me. They'd easily cut your finger, or probably your leg off there. Or toes or whatever. So this is what it'll look like roughly when it's in field position, you know, with the row units out of the ground. There's not a lot of room to work under there. So anyhow, I guess this is that. This is the job done here. Yeah, I got it all together. Everything's real tight. Like I showed earlier, the row units are just a little loose, but we can live with that for this year. But the arms and these deals are tight like they're supposed to be. The new wheels there, that. I guess I'm going to pull it out here. I know I'm missing a dust cap right there. I've got it in the house. I just need to clean that off and put it together, but I want to do it outside. But anyhow, I guess that's the job well done on the drill. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna say roughly cost probably $3,000 to go through what I did, and I did fix other things as I went that were wrong. Just a few, had a couple, just had other little things, you know, that added up a little bit. I'm happy with it, so I'm gonna pull it out of the shop here, and hopefully I can get through. It'll be a tight fit, but I think we can make it. And I guess we'll make a video on what to watch for if you're looking at a drill, or you just want to look over yours and don't know what to look at. I'll go over that here, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. It's been fun. Real fun.